Okay, today is September 8th, 2025, and this is a test on the new pinwheel for the burning bush thing, bench test up here. But first I'm going to do a little, I'm going to show you a little castor bean oil. This is his first appearance on YouTube. There's castor bean oil right there. Come on, Beanie, get up there and get something to eat. Oop, there he goes. This is castor bean oil. Up. There he is. Castor bean. Yeah, get on up there. There's some stuff up there for you, honey. Get up there in your window box. There's some food up there. Come on, boop. Up you go. That a boy. Yeah, that's castor bean oil. He's my latest rescue from the shelter. He's super sweet. And Smokes is having a little hard time accepting me. Poor little Smokes, he was hissing at him, but Castor Bean he's absolutely the friendliest, sweetest. Yeah, that a boy. Eat your goodies there. You see he's absolutely gorgeous. He's got rings on his tail, and he's sort of, he's got spots on his side. Beanie, come here. Yeah, look at Beanie. Beanie, smile for everybody on YouTube. Yeah, I know you're hungry. Look at him. He's just gobbling away. He's pretty. He's great. He's got sort of dark gray stripes on him. If you haven't seen this is the first video I've done of Castor Bean. Next thing I'll do is a video downstairs where he stays downstairs. That a boy. Yeah, yum, 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 yum. He loves this window box. And he loves the front window too. And come on, show me your face, sweetie. Come on, boop, boop. Whoop, there he is. That's Castor Bean. Okay, this is the pinwheel. I've got it all painted up here. Originally, I was gonna make these blades on here out of masonite, but then I experimented with some just regular roof flashing, and it's awful thin, so I had to put some reinforcement behind it. Just couldn't resist one more good shot of little castor bean oil here. Hey, Beanie, smile for everybody on YouTube. Yeah, smile for everybody on YouTube, Beanie. Come here. That's it. Show everybody your face, your pretty little face. Beanie. Whoop. Beanie, show everybody your pretty little face. That's it. Oh, Beanie. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Show everybody your pretty little face. And yeah, that's a good shot of Beanie there. Okay, well, so here's these reinforcing ribs. I made them, they're made out of 1/4-inch plywood. Then I covered them with aluminum foil and painted them to waterproof them. You can see this, this made out of roof flashing. You see it's real thin, but it's supported okay. And they'll probably, last 100 years, that aluminum. So much better deal than the masonite. There's another shot. You can see the reinforcing on the back side there, and you can see it's real thin. But I think it's going to work, and I'm going to crank up the fan here, and we'll do a final test on it before we put it up outside. I guess I'm kind of doting on my little feline intern lab assistant's little Smokey Finoki. He's doing better now. At least he's eating and drinking and everything. I've been able to pick him up some, and eventually I'm sure he'll get along. Castor Bean is such a sweetie. I got him down there. He's got a little deformity on his lip there. I guess that's why nobody wanted it. Yeah, show him your lip, sweetie. Yeah, look at it. I don't know if you can see it there. He's got a little problem there. I figure he was kind of like a dented can in a Kroger store. People wouldn't want him because he's got a little bit of his little lip there, and he'd been down there about a month, and he was getting kind of, in that little old wire cage and all by himself, but he's doing real good right now. Yeah, that's my castor bean oil. Beanie, show everybody your pretty face. Hey, show everybody your pretty face. That's it, Beanie. Wow. You want a little bit more? Beanie, what do you think of that, huh? Be careful, don't get your tail caught in it. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that neat? He's curious about everything. But you can see, yeah, he thinks that's neat. Now, Beanie, be careful, don't get hit with it. But I've been checking it out with that box fan there. And of course, that box fan is just blowing on one little corner of it. If the wind was blowing all the way across it, it would it'd have a lot more air to work with. But as you can see, you know, with that box fan, it does work. And then we've got those arrows. It'll look much better when I get it on the mounted on the tree outside. Okay, so much for this final test here before we mount it on a tree. I better shut this thing down before castor bean oil gets jumping up there to the window there and has a collision with it. But there it is, and with the metal with the roof flashing metal blades on it. Originally, I made them out of cardboard to test it, the initial test, and then I made these blades up out of sheet metal.